Yes, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our end of the market update for this beautiful Thursday, April the 15th of 2021. And what a fantastic day we had in the market today. What a run, guys. What a run. I know yesterday's video we were calling out for the 618 to be our top resistance as we saw a pullback in 3 waves. Now, that's valid, right? I mean, we're not trying to short this market. I'm not trying to short this market. I'm not trying to get on board to the downside in the wave 4. No way. That's not part of the game plan. The game plan is to buy the dip, right? Why do I say buy the dip? Because the dip allows you to take advantage of the resumption of the uptrend, guys. Always think about that. If you are able to recognize where you are in the trend, right? If the trend is bullish or bearish, okay, that's good. Understanding where you are. This is why I love using, and that's why I learned it. It took a while, but I learned it using the Elliott wave theory. All right, because the Elliott wave theory is your guide. It is your roadmap to understanding the trend. Okay, so I do advise, I do suggest, and I do encourage you guys to go and learn it. That's why if you're in the Discord group, okay, we are doing this every day, so we are learning. Okay, so for my new viewers, I do encourage you, if you are interested, jump into the Discord group. It's totally free. We post daily chart updates of the S&P, of the Nasdaq, QQQs, and any chart requests that our members have. We post it, we interact with it, we review it, and we take it from there. All right, guys, so the link is in the description. Please consider joining. It's totally free. Look forward to seeing you there. Anyway, so back to the market. All right, so a quick recap. Let me zoom out for a second. So from the February's high, we sold off in 3 waves, A, B, and C, and the intermediate wave 2. Minor degree wave 1, A, B, C, minor degree wave 2. We then broke to new highs, right? We established this channel from the one wave and the second wave, and we broke above it, hover over it, consolidate it, and we ramped up higher. Okay, now yesterday, as we were reviewing our chart, we were calling this to be the end of wave 5, right? And we're now anticipating a 3-wave move into what we were anticipating to be the wave 4. Is still valid, except that wave 5 has not finished. All right, and if we zoom into this zone here, okay, we zoom into this area as we did yesterday. Let's revisit this wave count. So it's fine that I was wrong yesterday. Why is it okay that I was wrong? Because as I said today, as I said at the beginning of the video, I'm not trying to short this market. So our long positions are still valid. Our long positions are still getting in the profits. Our long positions are still making us money. So I'm happy that this thing keeps on going higher. However, I want to buy the dip, right? And I am anticipating this dip because I am not getting into new trades, not yet. I want to wait for this pullback to get on board for the next leg higher, and that's what we're going to review on tonight's video. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in here and review this structure again, and for that I'm going to take us down to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so on last night's video, we were considering this to be the wave 1, down in 2, up in 3, and down in 4. But when we did an extension, this was way higher. So the part where it was miscounted was that wave 1 is actually here. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. All right, so 5, A, B, and C. As you see, there's 3 waves clearly. Right. Then that's 1, 2, 3, A, B, and C for wave 4, and we ramped up higher in the wave 5. All right, we're not done with wave 5 yet. So if we take Fib extensions, right, from the low of wave 1 to the high, down to the low, guess what? Spot on, guys. Spot on 2618 into the wave 3. Okay, so that tells me that this, now if we take a retracement from the low of wave 3, to the high, right, we came in at the 38, between 38 and 50, which is appropriate, and now we're ramping up higher. Okay, so let's find out where this could end. As you know, we already had this 100% extension already established, So we're going to figure out another fib level or fib cluster that will kind of deduce where this might find itself in terminating, right? The wave 5 of wave 3. So the way to do that is that since this was wave 3, this is wave 4, we're going to take another extension, okay, from the low to the high to the low, and we're going to see that 100% comes in around the 417 to the 419, or the 417 in this case. Let's see, let's turn on the 1618, actually the 618 now. Let's just leave the 100% extension. So right, so this actually tells me that we may keep on melting up higher to these levels. I mean, potentially, right? Potentially, guys. That's why I'm not getting into new trades, because at any moment wave 5 can fail, truncate, and get us, you know, turn back and go back down. I mean, we already passed the 50, right? If we go to the 618, right? Okay, so we passed the 618, so our next logical level is the 100%. So okay, so that's fair, right? We can hover over here and then jump up higher into the 100% extension. If we zoom in now and we try to deduce this wave count, I mean, we are going micro in here, guys, way below. So up in 1, maybe this is A, B, C, pull back into wave 2, and now we're in the makings of wave 3. Again, remember, wave 5 can always truncate, okay? And what do I mean by truncation? I mean that wave 5 will not complete, and it will just fail and go back lower, okay? So that's what I'm kind of looking at this. And let us take a look 1 second at something here. Is this could potentially be an ending diagonal? Yeah, so let me delete this. So if this is the actual pattern that's developing, it is indicative of a 5 wave. So just as a quick tip, ending diagonals will appear on the wave 5 or on the wave C, all right, which is called the ending of the cycle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perhaps that's what's going to happen coming into tomorrow, right? 1, down in 2, up in 3, down in 4, up in 5, and then we fail. Okay, I don't know. I'm just speculating here. And yes, in a triangle, there is overlap. Okay, overlap is allowed in a triangle per Elliott wave guidelines. All right. So if this is the case, then I do anticipate that in the wave 5 we are going to fail, and then taking you guys back up to the 1 hour time frame is where we can see the start of wave 4. All right, at which point we will wait for that entry. So let's take a look here, right? If this is the actual wave 4, or actually where it will finish, let's say around here, right? This is preliminary, guys. This is theoretical, all right? Because we could just crash tomorrow, as it could truncate, as I mentioned. So our next level of support can come in here, right, between the 23 and the 38. Okay, and that falls in line with this upper trend channel, as I just mentioned. Okay, so in other words, what ended up happening is that we're going to not crash, right? We're just gonna have a pullback, retest the trend channel on the wave 4 support, and then head on higher. Okay, that's what the possible outcome can be. So that's what we are going to wait for. That's our game plan coming into tomorrow, end of the week. If it doesn't happen tomorrow, it may happen next week, but it's close. Okay, if we keep on melting up higher, so be it. We have existing positions that it's in the profits. All right, anyway, so again, we're gonna wait. We're gonna keep on waiting for this wave 503 to complete. All right, I know it's getting a little crowded in here, and so the levels to watch is 417 or 419, 420 I'll call it, right? For the wave 4 pullback into the 400, 409 to the 44, that will take us higher. Once this wave 4 is complete or near completion, then we will find out where the potential targets for wave 5 of minus degree wave 3 could be. All right, guys. So let's just take a look quickly at the volume. All right. So so volume is still relatively low. We're not showing any sign of divergence. So this isn't the final wave 5, right? So remember, as I mentioned earlier, another thing that you have to do when anticipating a pullback, right, or the end of a cycle, understanding this, looking at the RSI, if we are in the wave 5, actually let's go down here into the 5-minute, because if this is the end of wave 5, then we should be able to find some sort of divergence, right? And sure enough, here it is. Let me just draw this for you guys. So we are melting up higher or making new highs, while RSI is trending lower. So that's a loss in momentum. Same thing as the MACD. We are going lower, losing momentum while we are going higher. So that's a sign of the end of the cycle, all right, in the wave 5. So I am confident that based on these indicators that we are going to probably make another, sideways action here, and then just finish the wave. I lost my thoughts here. 1, 2, 3. Finish the wave 5 here, and then just head on lower into the wave 4. At which point we are going to take advantage for a pullback and a trade. Okay, guys. So moving on to the triple Qs, Nasdaq ETF. Here is just another. I do believe here that unless we keep on going higher, right, then we have completed the wave 3 here. We're down in down in A, up in B, which is the 127. As I mentioned yesterday, we're finding resistance there, and we're gonna then make our next leg down in the wave C to find support at the 23.6 or the 38.2. Okay, so that was pretty straightforward. Again, just to do a quick recap, right? Coming off from the March lows, we go up in the minor degree wave 1, ABC in the minor degree wave 2, 1, 2 again, 3, ABC, and we're now waiting for the wave 4 to complete. At which point, once we reach the wave 4, we're gonna take up an opportunity to get us higher into the wave 3, into the minor degree wave 3. Okay, guys, so I think that was pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Once again, I do appreciate you guys watching these videos. Thank you for your time. Please consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the thumbs up, hit the notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload these videos. And again, the Discord group is open house for everybody. Come on in. I welcome new faces. I challenge you to post your own Elliott Wave chart so that we can review as a team and we can all make good money. The more eyes we have, the better we are out there because we have more people watching the market. That's just plain and simple, right? Why do we have to pay for scanners? I don't believe in that. So the more eyeballs we have in the markets, the more we can contribute to one another for the main thing that we're here for, which is making money. All right, guys. So the link is in the description below. Join to the Discord group, totally free. Just put your email, and then I will see you there tonight or tomorrow or the day after, whatever. But thank you again. Good night.